Snapchat has started rolling out its AI chatbot called My AI to all users globally, which comes with new features to help users on the platform converse with their friends in a better and more convenient way. To check if you have got this feature yet or not on your Snapchat, first go to Play or App Store and update the application to latest version. I have already updated the application. Now open the application. Now click on Chat to see if you have got My AI on your Snapchat or not. I haven't got this feature yet on my Snapchat. If you have also not got this feature yet, this is because this feature is just started rolling for all users globally, so it may take time to roll out for all users. If you know that this feature was already available for Snapchat Plus members, and now Snapchat has made it available for all users for free to use. If My AI isn't showing on your account, it's not because you need Snapchat Plus. The feature simply isn't available for you yet. When launching a new feature, Snapchat slowly rolls it out across all accounts over several days, weeks, or even months. My AI will eventually be available for everyone, but it might just take some time to get to be added to the application in your region. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.